Hi, welcome to Salesforce Textbook. Our topic is Agentforce Service Agent. The topics we are going to cover today is how to configure pre-chat form and how to customize the welcome message using context variable. Now we will see the practical implementation. Let's go to our arc. To configure pre-chat form, in quick find search for embedded service deployment. Click on embedded service deployments. Click on our service deployment and here click on edit pre-chat. And here we have to enable this checkbox to activate the pre-chat feature. Next, to add the fields to the pre-chart, click on this drop down and here we can see the standard fields, and if we want we can add the custom fields also. For now I'm adding first name, last name and email. Click on save. Click on publish. Now when the customer enters the value in the pre-chart form, to store the pre-chart field values we have to create input variables in Omniflow. We have already created Omniflow for service agent. We'll use the same flow here. So in quick find search for flows. Click on flows. The flow we used is inbound flow. Here we have to create the input variables. To create variables, click on new resource. Select the resource type as variable and give the name. First name. Data type is text and available for input. Click on done. Second one is last name. Data type is text. Available for input. Next one is email. And data type is text. Available for input and click on done. Now we have created input variables. Here my use case is when the customer enters the email in the pre-chart form, if the email matches with the existing contact, then I want to display the contact's name in the service agent's welcome message. For that we will customize the flow. First, we will get the contact details if the email entered in the pre-chart form matches with the existing contact. To get the contact details, we'll use get records element. Get contacts. Select the object as contact. Click on contact and here we'll check the condition. The email field in contact equals the email entered in the pre-chart. Email entered in the pre-chart is input variable. User enters the value in input variable. We'll capture the value entered in pre-chart into the email variable. So I have taken email variable. And here we're storing only the first record and I'm storing automatically store all fields. Next, once we get the contact details, we'll assign the contact name to the messaging session object. For that, we'll use assignment element. Click on assignment and give the label. Assign contact name. Here, I have created one custom field in messaging session that is contact name. Now I'll use that field. Messaging session from get messaging session dot contact name equals contact from get contact dot name. I'm selecting full name. Here we are assigning the contact name to the contact name field in messaging session. Next one is messaging session from get messaging session dot contact ID equals contact from get contact dot contact ID. Next we have to update the messaging session. To update messaging session we'll use update records and give the label and here select the record collection, that is messaging session from get messaging session. Click on save as new version. Click on save. Click on activate. Next, to send the pre-chart form data to the messaging session, we'll do the parameter mapping in messaging channel. So to do the parameter mapping, go to quick find. In quick find, search for messaging settings. Click on messaging settings. Select our messaging channel. Here in parameter mappings, click on new. Here we have to map the pre-chart field values with the flow variables. Here we will select the pre-chart field names. And here we will give whatever the variable name we have given in flow, we'll give the same name here. The name I have given in flow is first name. Click on save. Next one is last name. In flow I have given as last name. Click on save. Next one is email. Email. Click on save. Next, to display the contact's name in the service agent welcome message, we'll go to Agentforce service agent. So in quick find, search for agent. Click on Agentforce agents. Click on Agentforce service agent. Click on open in builder. First we have to deactivate. It is already deactivated. Now we'll add the custom message by using context variable. So click on this context. Click on messaging session. Here I have created one custom field in messaging session, that is contact name. Now I'll add that contact name field in the included fields. For that, click on edit included fields and select contact name. Click on save included fields. Now click on messaging session. Here contact name is added to the included fields. Now copy this API name. Now go to Agentforce service agent. Build. Click on system messages. Here we'll give dollar context dot field API name. Here we will remove underscore underscore C. Click on save. Next, we will activate our agent. Click on activate. Now we'll go to our experience cloud site and we will see. Now I'll open this URL in incognito window. Here we will select the existing contact email. For that, go to any app and select one contact email. Click on this messaging icon and give the email. Click on start conversation. Here in welcome message, we can see the contact name. This is how we can customize the welcome message by using context variable. This is all about how to configure the pre-chat form and how to customize the welcome message. These are the reference links. Please go through those links. Please subscribe to Salesforce Textbook. Thank you.